Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a new subfolder on Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go directly to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, beneath favorites where we have admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. We want to right click on inbox, and then here we have the option to create a new subfolder, which now has brought up the third subfolder. For this folder, we want to name this folder Other. Enter, and there we have it. That folder itself has been created. If we then click on the three red dots, we can create a new subfolder, rename, change the color, move, delete, add to favorites, move up and down, sharing permissions, assign policy, open up in a new tab. That's all for a brand new video in the near future. In this tutorial, the ideology was to create a brand new subfolder called that Other, and then we can also go into that folder itself. If we would, let's just say now go to focused emails, I can drag and drop one of the emails or all the emails if we wish to, by selecting all at the same time, and then drag and drop all this into the Other folder. And there we have it. So those emails have now been moved to that new created subfolder. If we wish to, let's just say, have some of these new emails that are in the inbox directly sent to the Other new created subfolder, we would then have to create a rule. That's all for the near future. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.